Get used to us a little bit. Ah, isn't that fantastic? Stunning. Big male. Luckily for us, just in a patch where we could spot him. It's a lot of thick bush around us here. Stations, one Madura Ingwe just on the eastern side of Shabam Road, due west from Treehouse Dam. James, it's Ingwe. Madura, yeah, he's stationary on Shabam Road. Which guy this is, Rexon? Rexon knows the leopard of this area much better, and he's not sure which male this is, so probably not Mfufunyan, which makes the plot. Tyson, is it? Well, I haven't seen this leopard before, my first time. Male that tends to be more towards the west of us, west and south from here. Got a reputation for being a bit of a bruiser. Beautiful male. Oh, it's so good to see leopard again. It's been quite a while, and that's one of the things that really is magical about the Sabi Sands. Also Juma, this area that we're in, the leopard viewing here is probably some of the best in the world, if not the best. Stunning. This guy is probably going to get active again soon. This is the time of day when they tend to move around, but oh, and I can see, very difficult to see, just a bit of movement. About 80 yards from here, there's a giraffe just moving through the bush. Obviously you've seen the leopard as well. He's got his neck straight up. There won't be too much interaction there. They don't really bother each other normally. It has been known that leopard can take young giraffe on the odd occasion, but a big 1.5 ton giraffe is just out of his league. Such a beautiful cat, just look at that. Very alert to his environment. He's just heard that giraffe as well. Exciting animals to spend time with. A couple of 100 years ago, it wouldn't have been in our nature to spend time with a leopard and enjoy it so much. But now, and I hope more and more so in future, it will be in our nature more and more, in the nature of our children, to appreciate amazing animals like this. Magical. Big yawn, look at that. Maybe getting ready to move again. Quite often yawns can be a threat behavior as well, just letting another animal, or us maybe see the sharp end showing his weapons. I always compare it to a cowboy walking into a bar and just moving his jacket aside to show his 6-gun. I think in that case maybe more just him getting some more oxygen. He wants to get moving again. He's not really worried about us. You can see in his behavior, whether we're here or not going to make much of a difference to him. Easy to see him, to recognize him as a male. Obviously we had the tracks earlier, big tracks, but just his build much more stocky and solid. The female leopard in this area, or in general, don't really get that big. 30-40 kilograms for a large female. Karula, the female that we see all the time, probably only 25-28 kilograms. It's about 60-odd, 70 pounds. Whereas this guy will be a good 75 kilograms, about 165 pounds. Big leopard can even go over 200 pounds. Very stocky guy. Beautiful, beautiful example of a healthy male leopard. I thought James was coming in. James again. James, are you responding to this cat? No, I thought you might be responding to this Ingwe. The one near Shabam Road. Okay, copy. Go ahead. Yeah, for us, my daughter is just Lalapanje at the moment, just on the eastern side of Shabam Road. Shamgo. And the fact that it's not Mafufanyan who's the sort of the dominant male in this area makes it interesting. This guy's big enough and he has challenged Mafufanyan before, and the way he's moved as well, the tracks that we had earlier, he was coming into the area very boldly, very confidently. He wasn't trying to sneak in. He was moving along the main roads that the other male would use as well, and he's using almost the same route as the other male does. Now, sorry, got a bit of a frog in my throat. That raises another question. We haven't seen Mafufanyan, the typical dominant male of the area, for quite a while. Don't even know if we've heard anything from the other lodges. I haven't. Rex, have you heard anything? Nothing. It's been very quiet about him for a while. So that, of course, brings up the question whether there's not maybe been a fight somewhere else, maybe too far south for us to have heard about it. And maybe there's been a little bit of a change in hierarchy, or the territorial boundaries have been moved or set differently. But the way this guy has behaved in here from the tracks we saw earlier and the way he's lying now, he's very confident. He's not sneaking around here at all. He's happy to be out in the open, so to speak.